All right, we're going to do a start and interior functions. Okay, just got the seatbelt blinking. All right, so we got lights on. Everything illuminates as it should. Air works in all modes, nice as it should. Got the heat on, works perfect. The air conditioner. Compressor just kicked on. Condenser kicked on, excuse me. Compressor, excuse me. Thinking and talking at the same time. So all that works as it should. Radio works as it should. Everything's here, unused. Manuals are all there. Locks, unlocks, mirrors, lights, windows, overdrive goes on there, ECT power down there. I'll show the engine. This one got a brand new radiator, needed a radiator. There's a minor crack on top, so we put a new one in. Good runner.